Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Summer is here. How your car paint during this season? Number 1, wash your car. Many people feel the hesitation to wash their cars so often in the summer, because there is a good chance that they will get dirty after a sudden rain in the next day. However, this should not be a reason for you to be too lazy for a car wash. The dirt, mud stains or bird droppings on the car exterior can contain chemicals which potentially can contaminate the car paint, especially when the vehicle has a few scratches. Number 2, Polish car paint by Specialized Car Wax. It is very important to protect your car exterior from the heat and sunlight, which can accelerate the speed of paint deterioration. You can protect your car paint by using Specialized Car Wax. By adding a layer of protection to the paint, waxes will reduce the effect of UV light as well as minimizing the amount of dust that could adhere to the paint surface. Just like how women regularly use SPF sunscreen to protect their skin from the sun, you should wax your car at least twice a year to preserve its paint and maintain its shiny look. Number 3, park your car in the shade. This is the simplest job and the practical one, but not all drivers have the patience to drive around to park in a shady area in the close-by parking lot, or if there isn't any, in the shade somewhere else and farther from the destination. It is very common that drivers will park in the nearest spot to their workplaces in order to shorten the walking distance. However, if you know parking your car under the sweltering summer heat will let the paint slowly deteriorate, you might want to consider finding a place with the shade to park, such as a roof parking lot. Walking a bit farther is good for your own health, and your car's as well. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.